Mulaba step to wagine masi thuleng se hai no asi dosi ni manu da user malong hai bada document no bada kan ni delete ke my school no me Patu ai document ko pamla ai ai ke na hai ko ka sinda ni ba ka modelo ka ni le ko ko ni dra le ko ma ko ka Aku nanti modelo ni ko ni serial number 4 oke serial number 8 sudah ini kan sudah open jadi masih Kaya po, pagkakalo ko yung obre. Sir! Kaya po ngayon, nandun. Nandun ka din. Nandun ka din. Sir! 107 watts. Nandun ka din. Wala ba? Class S is increased the my school open is ko ay aga si ko pila ka na so ko ay ka ni ano sa my school mo ko na ni na mo Siapa orang ni? Yang meriau tu meriau orang apa sorok? Aduh, ada saya lihat, ada apa? Batin siya kang ra. Ado gi siya na first time ni ko troki ko. Ado last time ki lebe ko to. Okay, ko ni yom do gi ne ko. Anyway, masigi class ki to bisi kismete just ko na high barvidi na to. Just by seeing or gadi. This is the audio visual class ko. The masigi topic si menstruation ko. Menstruation topic tani ko. Marina to present. Duga sige menstruation is the apina marina kana bisi regarding the plane figures and solid bodies. Do sige mamanga apina pa. That is the difference between total natural curved surface ina sige matanga apena. Understand mo bisa ko. Pero da koi different terms may scenery according to the figures, according to the kanada surface ki matuna ko scenery ko. Now, by first we increase total line kaino, lateral line kaino, curved surface line kaino, adu details to kaino na sapo. Okay. Now, let us see what is area. Pa. Is data when generally had area is kaino. Now, it is a space occupied by two-dimensional object. This is the general definition of what is area. To give some definition. Now, when plane figure cycle, we will discuss only on two-dimensional figure Then, just like say circle, sphere, just like rectangle, then triangles, then rectangles, parallelogram, these all are of different types of plane figures. Then, sigi matunda da apai sigi difference ki koi matang surface area si matang apai mukana si ko. Now hydrogen, it is the area occupied by the surface of a three-dimensional object. Sina kai pi area ina kai no surface area ki kai difference ni ko. Area generally will be two-dimensional. Surface area kana kai kai khane three-dimensional object में da कोई ना surface area का कोई ना define करो. Let us see. को area है we generally consider on two-dimensional figures of the khane को. Whereas surface area है already we will discuss on kaida three-dimensional objects. Three-dimensional means those objects having length, breadth and what height in the three-dimensional. Whereas two-dimensional है ना those figures having only length and breadth. Anyway, now let us see surface area of three-dimensional figures. The number we generally mention here surface area. Now let us see regarding the surface area. Let us see there are different types of surface area. The first one is the total surface area. Next is the lateral surface area, and the third one we will discuss on curved surface area. See, now, first of all, let us define what is total surface area. Now, it is the total area covered by all the surfaces of the object. I think object na whole covered area to what we generally call as total surface area. Next, we will discuss on lateral surface area. Lateral है तो वही तो सीधा रखने सीधा. अपना सीधा differentiate of different. Let us see. It is the area covered by all the lateral or side surface of the object. Okay, nakan na like singo. Ano na pwede kita kaya maganda lateral line harapin. Nakan na like may kali just like when the cube to sumangale, ibu itu sumangale, just like sida six side na ibu wall si what we call it as what lateral surface area harapin. Next, curved surface area. Now, it is the area covered by all the curved surface area of the object. Generally, अपना cylinder generally कितना है? मारी size ही कितना है? It is in the form of curved draw. So in that case, we will use the term curved surface area. Machine रखते हैं. So we are about. अदना simply से कहना surface area is the what is total surface area, what is lateral surface area, what is curved surface area. We get difference. Now let us see some 3D objects. कोई नहीं आना करना को नहीं जाना करें. First of all, let us consider cube. Correct? Now. Cube we will discuss on total surface area. Let us see. Now there are different colors: red, yellow, green, like that. Then blue. There are different colors. So altogether, how many faces are there? 6 faces. Then let us see. Six faces. What we call it as what? Total surface area. Then sige matunda cube single matunda area kana si sige next ko. Now so generally now total surface area cube by ka adi kedawi सही तरह figure से कितना पहले subtraction लगी it seems like cube actually it's a cube तभी if the length of the side each of the side is beta adi it is a square area will be a square था since there are 6 sides total surface area will be what 6 into side square बच्चा this is the total surface area. Now, let us measure the lateral surface area. Lateral area is just like the 4 walls of this room. Now, that's why how many colors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Adana, lateral surface means there will be only how many faces? 4 faces. Then, so in case of lateral surface area, size in case of this one cube, it will be 4 into the area side square. So, cube there is no curved surface area. Like right now, all are just plain and wrong. Curved surface area. Then, okay, let us see. Now let us consider the next 3D object. That is the cuboid. Cuboid I already now, first it will be the total surface area. Just like the cube. You say how many faces are there? With different colors like that. So altogether there are 6 different colors. That means there are 6 faces. So there will be how many total surface area become this one Why? Can you understand? Now, this is length, this is breadth. The area of this rectangle will be what? The equivalent of the. Since the opposite faces are equal, there will be twice of L.
चाहना, जैसे कपड़े चाहिए, खाना चाहिए, मैं घूमना चाहता हूँ आदि। मुझे डोसा चाहिए। खट, खट, यह संकेत